Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Josephine and today is Saturday and Brother Scan and Cut Saturday. So we're going to make, I'm going to make these cute little chicks. I tried to cut out the actual SGV file, but to make this large one you would need a 12 by 12 because I've just got to point out my little mistakes. It wouldn't quite fit on A4 card. So then I sized it down and made him. So they're really cute. I've sized it up a little bit. And I'm going to make a yellow chick. So how much bigger is this one? It's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make a yellow chick. And if you all know my Brother Scan and Cut, let's just move these to one side and bring this in, is where I visit the Canvas workspace and choose a file, cut it out and put it together. So I decided to choose this, as it's Easter, choose this little chick file. As I say, I've actually downsized it because if you wanted this it would be a 12 by 12 and it wouldn't fit on an A4. So I've downsized it so that I can have this yellow chick. And as always, at the end of my videos, I have got two chicks. Ooh, maybe to give away. I'm not sure. So yes, at the end of my video, I always do a giveaway. So let's get on. So with this file, obviously you download it obviously onto a USB or your 900, which is Wi-Fi, and then your chosen cardstock and cut it out. As I say, I've downsized this and there's little perforations which I'm going to score along these lines like so. So yeah, so Easter's coming up. I'm going away on holiday, yay, the Easter weekend, but my YouTube will still be going strong. So yeah. There. So I've scored and folded all the score lines and I'm just going to use some wet glue because just to get it married up and yeah, and that wiggle time. I'm using some old Stampin' Up glue, Precision Point here. So sorry, I bet I've gone off camera. So yeah, once you've married it up and got it really neat how you want it, so in the next coming weeks I'm going to try and do some Easter projects this coming week, so please look out for them. So that's one bit. Okay, I'll put some glue on this side. So I hope you enjoy my Brother Scan and Cut Saturdays, because I really enjoy doing it and I love to share and I love the giveaways that I yeah. So that's that. Just pop this down. So if I was giving this out, before I would put it together, I would put my stamp, obviously I've made it. So that's that bit done. Really, really easy and cute. So this bit, it's got a score line there, so you're going to fold it, and this sits inside. And what's happened? Oh, I know what's happened. Look guys, never mind, I'm still going to roll with it. We're still going to roll with it. I thought I'd resized them all, and I chose the wrong one because I resized it smaller, but hey. But never mind, it will be alright. They call them accidents. The accidents are meant to happen. So, and anyway, this is all going to be covered up, so it doesn't really matter. So, yeah. So that's in. So obviously this would come up. So this one, I've actually cut it out for this size one, so yeah. Apologies. And I think I've done the feet as well, because I'm sure the feet were bigger. So I'm putting his feet on. Oops. With the little pink one you get actually eyelashes, which I think are really, really cute. Now you can bling these up, because I was thinking, oh, you could put some lace and stamp it. You can really, really bling these up. So I might try and do one this week perhaps, just to show you my blinged up version. So that's the feet. Now we want to do, because that's down there, I want to do my little mouth, and I'm going to put her there, and then we're going to put the eyes in there. Yep. So as you see, it's quick to come together when you have the right things cut out. Silly me. I was so looking forward to making this, but hey, accidents happen. And now we're putting the little black little bits in, the eye, and shall I make him look over there? Yeah. The other eye. Like that. And we'll give him his there. You see, hopefully you can. I want that just to sit just there. And then the other one to sit there. Listen to me, I'm really quiet. There. There, he looks cute, doesn't he? And a little bit of white gel pen. Oh, I've overdone it. Leave it. There. And just to show you what he will look like with some shredded paper in, if I can find it amongst he got my hair. Oh dear me, tell ya. There. filling these all in. So let's give him an egg in his little box there. So what do you think? My brother Scan and Cut Saturday Easter chicks. So if you would like one of these, I'm giving 2 away. So you must be a subscriber to my channel. Please like the video and share it as well to get it out there. And I will be making the draw on Monday evening. So yeah, and obviously you would be having a yellow chick, and the little dress will be further up, and I'll more than likely put some eyelashes in, so if you want to make it a little girl, because you could actually put a ribbon, so I could put a pink ribbon on here as well and bling it up. So I think when I do my draw, I might bling this one up a bit more, so you can have a look and see what she looks like. But yes, my little family of chicks. So yes, please thumbs up if you would like to be for any chance of winning one of these to make. Then please obviously leave a message below, because I know you ladies and I love sharing everything as well. So yeah, have a lovely rest of the Saturday and Sunday in and I will see you all again very soon. And I haven't brought this, so this is my hashtag 100, and I do believe, I think it's 22 I'm on, I'm not too sure. So yeah, so I'm quite quite happy. I'm slowly getting there. So my hashtag 100 as well. So yes, yeah, thumbs up, and yeah, leave a message if you would like to be in for a chance of winning one of these. As I say, I've got 2 to give away. Bye for now. God bless.